I hope no one's listening. What's going on, guys? It's been a while. It's been a long time. And I'll give you a story here in a minute. Oh, man. I made a video not that too long ago, but turns out it didn't record anything, or the SD card wasn't formatted. Okay. I thought somebody was walking by. Oh, I should probably wait. It's a little cold. The bike's cold. Not the air. Oh wait, I need my, you know what, I think it's in the Miata. I think it's in the Miata. Oh yeah, right there. I promise. Oh, I just so happened to put my kickstand right there. Huh. Ugh. Let's get it, guys. Let's see if I get pulled over, because I look sketchy. Man, this is like the least busy area in the town, but there's so many people here. Little windy. Very lively. Very lively today. Make sure to always turn off your blinker, kids. Oh, shit. I meant to go here. My bad. See, now you guys may be like, dude, what are you riding? It's that. I say this is my 1993 Yamaha XJ600 Second. They also be like, why are you riding on the road? And to that, I also say, I'm perfectly legal now. Pretty out of the ordinary for me, but I've had it for, I've had my permit for a little bit now. Probably, I don't know, 4 or 5 months. Getting ready to get the license here pretty quick. Man, but you can't lie, this bike does sound pretty good. You probably can't hear it because of all the wind. And I still have the same old GoPro without a microphone, so I have to like scream for the GoPro to pick up what I'm saying. Whoa! You know, it was the weirdest thing getting on this bike and going on the highway for the first time. Especially being legal. It's a little weird, but nothing to worry about now. right there. And I was like, whoa. But yeah. I know the last video that I uploaded, everyone said, oh, he's back. Wheelie King is back, and then I left again. That wasn't okay, I apologize. I don't know why I nodded to those fire boys. Thanks for doing your job. That's what it was for. If anybody's watching this when it first came out, I want to know if anybody's seen the new movie Top Gun. Top Gun Maverick. Woo! That was a good one. I seen that one the other day. Oh my god. One of the best movies I've ever seen. I'm not going to spoil anything, but there's this one scene that's even in the trailer. They're like, where are you at? Where are you at, Maverick? He shoots up in between the planes. It's pretty crazy. I thought that was pretty cool. I feel like I'm being all awkward because I haven't been here for a while. But, you know, just doing my thing. Woo. A little bit of backfire. Oh man. Yeah, I'm pretty stoked to be back on the bike, especially because it's warming up now. It's almost summertime. So right now it's like, I don't know, mid 70s, high 70s. It's pretty warm for around here. Man, and Memorial Day as well. I went out and went to go for a ride. You can't just turn like that, man. With a motorcycle behind you, you can't do that. Comment if I was in the wrong. To those people who want to get legal, be on the street, on a street legal bike, make sure always look for other people. Like, it hasn't even been a year for me, and people have been so stupid. So stupid. First day I had my permit, some chick pulled out right in front of me. Like, I was in a turn lane, and the lane to my right was a straight lane, and I get in the turning lane, and this chick next to me tries to make a left-hand turn while I'm in the turning lane. We're both in the intersection. I look at her and I'm like, dude, really? I've had a couple people like that who don't know what they're doing. I bet you he's just trying to find like an Airbnb or something, but still. Watch where you're going, man. Oh man, I want an enduro though. I don't want to be on a street bike forever, even though it is fun. And I don't want to get rid of it or anything, but I want my enduro. Well, I don't have one yet, but I do want to get an enduro. Riding buddies. I need to find a couple riding buddies in my area. Also, I want to know if this is bad. I let go of my handlebars. I hope that, you know, this whole time that you guys can hear me, because because on the mini bike I haven't gone over, God, I don't know, probably 40 miles an hour. I haven't gone over 40 miles an hour, and I was just doing the speed limit. I was doing the speed limit on the highway. Sorry, I had a cramp in a couple of my fingers. Yeah, I don't know. I hope you guys can hear me. I really want to learn how to stunt on some street bikes as well. But I feel like it'd be easier with an enduro, right? I don't know. A couple of weeks ago, I was out riding, and there was this guy on a KTM, like a 2005 KTM 525, right? And I pull up on him, and we're on a back road. Not this one, but we're on a back road. Oh God, I hope somebody doesn't go barreling around the corner. You just gotta get around that corner as fast as you can, you know? But anyways, there's this guy on like this 2005 KTM 525, and he ends up doing a bunch of wheelies past me. And I'm like, what? No way. So I'm keeping up. We're going on back roads and stuff. That was a cop, by the way. Yeah, he's doing wheelies, and I'm like trying to keep up with them. I pull up, like, dude, that thing's sick. I'm like, what is it? He's like, the KTM 525. I'm like, huh. Cool. But, yeah. I want to be more like that guy. Yeah, I know it's like I should just go and strap the camera to my face and make a video. I totally get it. But if I make a half an hour video, that's like, I don't know, it's like 10 seconds for every second that I edit in the video. It's 10 seconds. So do the math. 30-minute video, and I have to shrink that down as well. About 10 seconds for every second in the video. I don't know, I can't do math. I'm not very good at it. Did I graduate high school? Yeah, I did, but I don't know. That's not where I'm at. Oh yeah, I also tried to film a video on my other GoPro. Yeah, didn't work out. No, not at all. Did not work out. Oh God, where do I want to go? Where does this go out to? Yeah, I don't know. Crack the pot, baby. You might see me from time to time push this button like a few times, because it seems like no matter how much I do it, the blinker's always gonna stay on. I don't know why. Like, I'll accidentally turn it on, like right now it's on. I'll go to turn it off, press it a bunch. It should be off, right? No, it's probably still on. So, or I'm just being paranoid. So yeah, that's why I keep pressing that little button. Do wheelie! No, I'm kidding. I'm kidding. I can't do a wheelie. Okay, the camera is dying. So, if you guys like this video, go ahead and drop a like, comment, subscribe, do your thing, and I'll catch you in the